Hey, Pinhead, get your son some guns and be a scallywag. Greetings, Beardos. DL with you once again. This is Walker Talk, and here we talk about the cool stuff. Now, doesn't get much cooler than this. What I'm going to talk about today is a three-way collaboration between Sons and Guns Beard Care, Bearded Scallywags, and Pinheads Pins. First, with the beard stuff. This is Sons and Guns Beard Care, Bearded Scallywags. Now, if you know John Hall, the owner of Sons and Guns, you know that this bad mamma jamma can blend his butt off, and this is no different. This is Corpse Cologne, Pirate Musk, Scallywag Rum, Haunted Deck, Decaying Leather, Cruel Gunpowder, Savvy Sage, and Cursed Sea Air. Let me tell you something. I know that Sean Madigan and John Hall came up with this profile, and they absolutely killed it. I put this in my beard last night after my shower, and it permeated the room in a good way. It is strong, but not obnoxious. My wife absolutely loved it. I love it, and I think you will love it too. This stuff is just a smooth, smoky, slightly dark, slightly aquatic, not too much, but slightly aquatic cologne. And this is good for any time, man. This is good for any type of situation you may find yourself in. Now, let me tell you about the Carrier Blend. It is Metafoam seed oil, Abyssinian oil, pumpkin seed oil, rice bran oil, hemp seed oil, and castor oil. I have just about everything that John Hall has created, and I'm going to tell you, there's not too much out there that feels better in beard than Sons and Guns beard oil. It absorbs beautifully. It absorbs like that. It is not greasy or slick. And you know what? You put it in, you feel covered for the day. You are good to go. His scents are strong. Most of his scents fall between 7.5 on the Richter scale. Bearded Scallywags, that's a solid 8 all day long, baby. Now, you can get the oil for $19. You can get the butter for $17. But if you buy the combo, I do believe it's $36, maybe $37. But it's still one hell of a deal. Now, on to the other stuff. Pinheads Pins. Many of you know who Pinheads Pins are. They are one of the absolute top of the line leaders in enamel pins. And this is just gorgeous. This is the Bearded Scallywags collaboration pin. And these are available on the Pinheads website for $10 a piece. And that will look good on any cap you plan on wearing. Now, Sean Madigan, the owner of Bearded Scallywags LLC, on his website, he has a limited t-shirt with this beautiful design on it. It's $25 for the t-shirt. And let me tell you something. I've got a lot of Bearded Scallywag shirts, and everything is top-notch, high-quality stuff. You can't go wrong with Bearded Scallywags merch ever. So, Sons and Guns Beard Care, Bearded Scallywags, Pinhead Pins, Bearded Scallywags, and Bearded Scallywags t-shirts, mugs, all sorts of great stuff. I will leave links in the description below to all of these companies so you can go check out the wares. I highly suggest that you go and you check this out. This is phenomenal. Sons and Guns Beard Care, Pinheads Pins, Bearded Scallywags. Get you some. Remember, kids, your beard is not just a beard. It's a friend, so treat it well and keep it scallywag.